Is this your first time coming in?
Yes, ma'am.
What do you think?
I love it.
Very nice. Very nice. Looking very good.
Yes.
I love it.
The time has come.
Good morning, folks. Good morning. Kenyatta here on this morning, making my way to the Chapelton Hospital. Today is the grand opening of the hospital, even though a couple of weeks ago it opened its doors starting to receive patients. But today we have an official opening where we have ministers as well as the Prime Minister coming to officially mark this hospital as open. So it's a beautiful day in the neighborhood, and we'll check out to see what's happening here. So come along for the journey.
I say that to say, what a wonderful day to have the speakers here. And as you come into the stage, Beverly, I know public speaking, make a little tense. But you haven't up here. I'm sure Prime Minister, you know, that with all due respect, Prime Minister, the most important lady to be here today when we're working, that's the news, is one Beverly. And she had agreed.
Yes,
so there was no disagreement.
Happy because my dream for a decent medical facility has been become a reality. I always said medical care is a basic necessity to sustain life. Today, a new day has dawned for the people of this region and Jamaica as a whole. I was born not too far from here, in a district called Plaque. So I have sentimental attachment to Chapelton Community Hospital. My whole family were treated here at some point in their lives. And also my sister died here after developing complications giving birth. My family and I care deeply about the existence of this institution. Now I want to take the rest of my few minutes to thank the people who helped to champion this cause. I want to thank our Prime Minister who has helped to push this agenda and make several visits during the construction phase. Also Minister of Health who have been with the project from the groundbreaking to the present. I want to thank Honorable Colonel Charles, who have started with the groundbreaking here, and Junior Charles. We both have been supporters from the groundbreaking now. Current MP for the area, Minister Morgan, thank you for your support. Special thanks investment of my donated funds and your partnership. Great job. I want to thank all the other donors, Chase and National Health Fund, I don't know all of you, for your generous contribution to this project. And save the best for last. Southern Regional Health from Florida, Chairman Bent. Chairman Bent, you are a force to be reckoned with. We are blessed to have such a leader in healthcare for this region. Also, Mr. Grant, and you, Wayne. You have been here from the beginning. And you are also. Barbara Hennington, you are in a league by yourself. You have kept me updated from the beginning to the end. And your willingness to move the mountain for this project. I see you as a daughter of the soul and one in the middle. I want to thank my family who are here today. My sister Dee, she was here from Dawnbreak and she flew and she said she'd never miss this one from me. And my friend and partners are here. My nephew Colin Nichols. And my dear friend Marcia Biondo, she's my attorney. And my cousin Sarah Dennis. She lives in Rock River. She launched me the last time we were here. But she has to go to Canada for healthcare. So she had surgery and she's here in a wheelchair somewhere. Yeah, she's over there. And she's a nurse. As soon as your feet are better, I need volunteer. I need you to volunteer, okay? She's a nurse from Canada. In spite of just having gone through surgery, you are here. Very good. I want to thank the contractors, Mr. Rogers and all the other workers. Finally, I want to thank the community in general who came, the community in general for their patience. Their clinic should have been a year temporary displacement, but the project was derailed by the pandemic. Throughout all this, the region patient thanked the community. Well, we have gotten this far, but the work has just begun. I am a pillar here now, but I cannot be able to need other pillars. I need more pillars, okay? I'm asking everyone here, and wherever you are, to remember this institution. It's going to need ongoing maintenance. I am calling on charitable foundations to add Chapelton to their donor list. Karen, AJ, add Chapelton to your donor list. Every year for 40 years, lives have been, we probably got 50 million US dollars now. Various organizations here. So now we have one more. Okay, we have a lady in New York called Margaret Davis. Is she here? But she's a nurse from St. Francis Hospital. She promised equipment. And then Dr. Trevor Dixon from the Jaja Foundation will be coming to fill up the operating room with all the equipment. Finally, a few years ago, my sister Audrey and I visited the facility here, and after a tour I stood outside the ground and I was dazed. I looked to my right and there was the head nurse Stella. I turned to Stella and said to her, the condition here is unacceptable. And that I was going to do something about it. Nurse Stella began a circular dance. She's Nigerian. She started a circular dance and she chanted, "We pray, we pray, we prayed that God was going to send it to Samaritan. That was me. Today, I couldn't dance. I was frozen. Today I'm hard out. Hard out. So Stella, we are going to have the last dance today.
The people of North Central Clarendon are thankful. We are thankful as the Chapelton Community Hospital is the heartbeat of our town. Our heart is beating again. The people of Northern Clarendon will benefit significantly from this facility. In an health emergency, 1 minute can save a life. No longer will we all have to take the long journey to Macon to get emergency medical help. My memories of this hospital includes the help they gave to my mother. I remember waking up 5 o'clock in the morning with porridge from my mother who was in one of the beds here. They saved her life. My first major cut was dressed by the nurses at this hospital. My first dental appointment was at this hospital, and I know many residents of Northern Clarendon and North Central Clarendon in particular have similar stories. But what was missing was our heartbeat. This hospital which brought people from all walks of life, from Frankfield, from Rock River, from Beckford Craw, some from even Spaldings, from Moko, from Killits, and from Blackwood. Yes. People come into this community, Prime Minister, and they come and they spend money and they interact with businesses here and they drive economic development. So while the health aspect of the hospital is important, the hospital as a centripetal force in drawing people to the community who can improve our economic prospects is also significant.
I want to just say that this has really been a journey, but a journey with a happy ending.
It is such a pleasure to be with you in the beautiful hills of Clarendon, and specifically Chapelton. The Chapelton Community Hospital was built to serve the Chapelton community and surrounding communities, including Summerfield, Thompson Town, Moko. Is it Moko? I got it right the first time. I'm just kidding. I know it's Moko. Frankfield, Nine Turns, Effort, Smithville, Blackwoods, and many more within a 20-mile radius of the town. The hospital has been refurbished, and the scope of works include, I wasn't here at the beginning, somebody may have gone through the scope of works. But because this is for the record, let me read it into the record. Extensive renovations have been done to the existing main building to include changing out the termite damaged timber floor to a sustainable concrete solution, new structural walls, a new roof, construction of an ambulance bay, upgrading of a ramp to allow for stretcher access and associated plumbing and electrical works, the restoration of the minor operating theatre, the installation of medical gas and the fire detection and alarm system, and the upgrade of the electrical and lighting protection system. Configuration of plumbing for adequate water pressure to the building, inclusive of a pressure tank, pump, and a concrete pump house. Construction of a rubble stone retaining wall, guardhouse, and a garbage skip. Standby generator system, additional parking and driveway, expansion of the food service department, the creation of a laundry department, linen room, and staff lunchroom, and most important, a new 20-bed ward with Beverly, Nichols, Pavilion, and a new farm. you through that so that you see a great deal of work was done here. And we all should be thankful for this. So I want to acknowledge the Push Start Foundation. This is more than a push. That's Beverly Nichols' foundation. And her family, who are with us this morning. The Push Start Foundation, through Beverly, donated $1 million US. Now let me say that I have seen bigger promotion for far less. But Beverly, I wanted to be here to personally and publicly and loudly and emphatically say thank you. Beverly is a Jamaican American businesswoman and a philanthropist who was born in the neighboring community of Plaque. She emigrated to the United States, specifically to New York, approximately 40 years ago, where she studied nursing and later established a home care facility, Beverly's Home Care Incorporated, which hires healthcare professionals for private nursing care. Beverly says, and I quote, "For the love of country, I will move mountains." And trust me, Beverly is laser focused in giving back to her Jamaica, the land she loves, the land we all love. Beverly established the Push Start Foundation as her primary vehicle through which to improve the lives of the less fortunate in the Jamaican society. It should be noted that this is not the first time Beverly has donated through the Push Start Foundation. Beverly donated US $100,000 for the construction of a dialysis center at the Chapelton Hospital. Yes. Has contributed multiple scholarships to students at various levels of the education system using her personal funds. During the height of the COVID-19 pandemic in 2021, Beverly again demonstrated her love for Jamaica and the healthcare system by providing scores of frontline workers in Jamaica who were directly involved in the fight against COVID-19 with a monetary donation of $25,000 US. This act of generosity is only one of several significant charitable initiatives spearheaded by this generous and kind-hearted lady. No doubt, Beverly will continue to move mountains, give back to her beloved Jamaica. Beverly has said, and I again quote, "This," meaning Jamaica here, "is where I feel I belong." It's a very important point. Many people migrate. They go overseas for a better opportunity, my friend. Yes. But they never feel that that is where they belong. There is somewhere that is home. And home is where you belong.
Now what I did to it? Let me know.
There we go. Government of Jamaica for your incredible philanthropy and care. Not just as someone who has made All right, everyone. Hold on, we have 2 more Plaque Prime Ministers more. Come with us. Heartwarming experience to actually come into the facility and see the patients getting treatment. I'm sure it is bringing you to almost tears of joy to see the nurses now employed, now being able to give service.
Customer service component waiting area, you can wait with you don't have to wait. Public system requires but not it's like the first time when I came.
This is lovely. This is lovely. Thank you everyone.
Where's Richard? Where?
No, that's a wall in front. Wall in front.
Beverly.
Sorry.
Is this your first time coming in?
Yes, ma'am.
What do you think?
I love it.
Very nice. Very nice. Looking
I
very
love
good.
it.
Yes.
I love it.
The time has come.
Right.
Whole hospital, because I work here 14 years, so it's less 3 months.
14 years?
Yes.
Wow. And you've never seen anything like this?
Well, not that I ever seen, but everything changed up different, and I love it.
Yes, you love it, huh?
I love it.
Wow.
Only a pity that my agent wouldn't want me to work again.
Well, you can come here if you need care.
Yes.
Wonderful.
I love it. The beds
So
are
you're
nice.
from the area? Are you from the area?
Yeah, man.
From Chapelton?
Yes.
So very close to home.
Yes.
So.
You know, when I usually walk sometimes.
So you get exercise too?
Yes, when I usually work sometimes in the night when we are 2 to 10 shift, man, you can't get nothing to go home. So we usually walk in the night home sometimes, you know.
Okay.
And sometimes the days, so now every time vehicle wasn't plenty light now, so we don't have no vehicle to come, so we walk it to work. Yes, and come and work.
Wow.
Yes. So you see me walking now, looking how the place stay now, because I can tell you where this was and that was and that was. And
but this is completely new, isn't it?
Exactly, completely new. Yes, and I'm glad to see it. If this is so I wonder if I have mail ward. Mail ward up here?
Well, I don't know how it works.
We don't know yet. But I love to see it. It's nice.
Yes.
Looking nice, man.
Wow.
You know, I must tell you that I'm so glad the time has come.
Yes.
To get back our hospital.
Yes.
I'm so glad for it, because I tell you the truth, I don't love May pain.
You don't like Maypen?
No. I don't love May pain.
Okay.
And when I say I don't love down there, it is everywhere you go, but the treatment is some of them don't get
So now you have
right now I'm not this well, you know. They send me from Maypen to KPH to do an operation. And I do my operation Wednesday, and by Thursday that's when they send me home. And it's my birthday in Ghana.
Oh, they took off your breast and you have to go home and heal it.
Yes! And I am giving thanks. Away from them gone here and up here, you know, up here not going to become perfect as yet. But within my body I'm still feeling strong.
Yes, and I can see your happiness too.
Oh my God. Giving thanks to God, darling.
Hello, what do you think of the hospital?
It's very nice.
Yes? Lovely. Yes?
Very good, very good.
Okay, yes. Then look at it, what do you think?
Oh, nice man.
Yes, let me turn around and get a better view.
Yeah. Nice man.
Yes? So you're from Chapelton too?
Summerfield.
Summerfield. Okay, close.
You're right.
Yes.
Yeah.
So you approve of what they've done, eh?
Beauty. Yeah, man. All right. Yeah, man. Yeah.
So this is the stairs coming from the main area where they had the admitting room. Hello, what's your name?
Ras Neil.
Ras Neil.
Yeah.
Okay, so I know Ras Neil. He's from the neighborhood.
Yeah, man.
So you're here at the opening of the Chapelton Hospital, official opening. What are your thoughts about what they've done?
I think they did a great job. You know, it's a well-needed improvement. For many years now, we haven't seen this type of improvement in our community. So, it kind of removed the stress and the hassle to move from one community to the next in order to get medical help and assistance, you know. Yeah.
So you can see yourself making use of this facility here?
Oh, sure. Once there is a need, you know, I'll be happy to come here, you know.
Yes.
Yeah, I believe that the services are also improved and, you know, something that we can look forward to in times of emergencies.
And have you visited inside to see what they've done?
Sure. Inside is very beautiful, you know. You know, it's on a very high scale in terms of, you know, infrastructure development and so on. Yeah.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
Neil, Ras Neil.
It's my pleasure. Yeah.
So I'm here with Dor and Akida.
I'm coming. Nurse Chambers. Take care. I'm going now.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Right.
So,
see you some other time.
Okay.
Yes. All right. Okay. Yes.
So am I there?
Yes.
Can I
Take care.
get something out?
Right. You take care. All the best. Hi. How are you doing, Miss Campbell? How is Kyra? Okay, give her my love as always. Yes, alright.
You both have such beautiful hair.
Oh, thank
I
you.
can't help but admire it.
Oh, thanks.
You know, when I look at your hair, I think about patience.
Oh, patience.
Yes, and perseverance.
Yes, a lot of
and
that
a
is
lot of
required.
love.
Yes,
A lot of love and
yes.
care
Well, thank
for this
you.
beautiful. I'm going to just capture her hair. See, both mommy and daughter.
Right, so
See
you
that?
do that sweet.
Natural.
Yes.
So when are you going back? Well, I'm here for now. I don't have no idea. Maybe never.
Oh, you love it here.
Yes.
That's nice. That's good.
Yes.
So you talk to Daddy, you tell Daddy, say, Dor say hello to you.
Dor say hello. All right. I think Daddy watches channel, so you'll be able to.
We are on live?
No, not live.
Okay.
Daddy watches channel, so you want to say anything to him?
Yes.
Yeah. So you want to say?
Go ahead.
Go ahead.
It has been taped.
Hi Joe, how are you? Dor from Kearney's Ridge.
And Dor's beautiful daughter.
Well, I'm Hikeba cause.
So, what do you guys think about what they've done to the hospital?
Great. Anything having to do with healthcare improvement is always welcome in Watch Road, mommy. Yes, right. Always welcoming. I know that this is something that doesn't only serve the Chapelton community, but its surroundings. So really appreciative of the work and happy about kind-hearted. I'm not sure if she's Miss or Mrs. Beverly Nichols. Not many people are willing to give back, and she has been so generous in her giving. So I really appreciate her contribution to the whole refurbishing of the hospital.
Wonderful. And you're able to, did you get a chance to look inside to see what they've done?
Yes, I did. I got a chance. It is of modern quality. I know prior to this, most of the things inside were new and malfunctioning. And it's clear that even the beds, they are of modern standard.
Yes.
Yes.
They're really invested.
And yes, and I noticed one, I'm not remembering from which of the presenters, we heard that some more will be donated in terms of the equipment.
Yes.
So I'm looking forward to that. Yes. Nice
Wonderful.
meeting you.
Nice to meet you too.
And it's Kenta, right?
Kenta, yes.
Right, nice
We'll see
meeting
you.
you.
Please, if you come at Chapelton, I'll give this back to you, okay?
Okay,
You can have
all right,
it.
no problem.
All right, take
Yes,
care.
you take care too.
Okay, bye. Okay, so that's it, my dear ones. Heading back into town from the hospital, and you got a chance to see it, hear it from a few people, and yeah, that's it. A new chapter has been turned. So anyways, leaving you with a lot of love. Until next time, Kenyatta, peace out.